about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Turkey bacon.
Okay, so I know everyone is not shopping at Target, but y'all, I'm broke, and I live in LIC. Oh, here's the oil. Dang, all expensive. Since when? Okay, let's look at this vegetable oil. $12 for oil. Wow. I didn't know. Okay, and now just this soap. And the way I be catching looks. And then we're coming to get some sea salt skinny pop. And then I just need some dish soap. Okay. Well, I can't find dish soap. I feel like I thought it was here. I see all of the floor cleaners. Oh, maybe that's on the side. Am I crazy? Where's the dish soap? Ah, here we are. Okay, so these ones are cuter though. They're $4. They have the bigger ones. These are hand soap. Sorry. Though. Oh, that's $2. Hell yeah. That's $2. Dish soap. We'll get two. Just lemon and mint. I'll say one thing. I'm a sucker for good marketing. You can get me with some good marketing, y'all. It's not good. And now I'm gonna look around, see what else I can get. Okay, so I got everything I needed. I need some other things. I got some food to make because I haven't really cooked all week, to be honest. Okay, so I just came back from Target, and then you guys saw mostly what I got. I got a yogurt, but the one I usually get is sugar-free. I don't really care about the fat percentage, but I couldn't find that one. Yogurt's gonna be my little sweet treat. And then, like I said, I am a sucker for good marketing, and I love the Everspring brand. First of all, they smell really good, and then two, they're cute. They make, I don't know, I think they're cute. So I got two of these dish soap. We ran out. I just got some chicken. I haven't cooked, honestly, obviously you guys have seen. I haven't really cooked / meal prepped in like 2 to 3 days. So I got some more chicken, even though tomorrow's Friday. I got some chicken, and then we ran out of the grape tomatoes. Oh, there's one rotten one. Oh, I hate that. Oh man, this really makes me mad. I also have a question about that. When one is rotten, does it make the rest of them rotten? Because I thought I saw a video about that, where you can't just cut off something rotten because the mold goes all, I don't know, I'm mad now. Oh, wow. Piss me off. And then I got Fox's food. This really ruined my mood. And then I got some turkey bacon. What is this? Hold on a second. What is on this turkey bacon? Okay, y'all. Target's really pissing me off. What is on the slice of turkey bacon? Why is it black here? Like, do you see? Ah! You can't sell rotten thing. I want to sue. I want to sue. And then I got a little treat. God, this made me so mad. I got some Skinny Pop. And then some oil. And that's all I got. It wasn't like a grocery haul, but I just needed some things. But half of it's rotten, so. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go work out and then clean up a little bit because yoicks, this apartment is a disaster. And then after that, I'm gonna make some dinner, and then yeah, that'll be the day. Thank goodness it's Thursday. All right. I'm just gonna go cool off. So for real, I am uploading right now. I did not work out at all, not even close. I got on the phone with my sisters and oops. All right, I'm gonna finish uploading, 12 more minutes left, and then a little bit later tonight, I'll cook dinner / meal prep for tomorrow.
What you're witnessing
is a girl being
getting.
Okay, so what I did was I did the chicken and I did the asparagus. They're both in the oven. And then now I have the regular potatoes in the microwave, and then after that I'm gonna put them in the air fryer to get crispy. It was gonna take way too long to put them in the oven, and that honestly should have been the first thing I did. So putting them in the microwave makes them really soft. So what I do is I get like a paper napkin, I wrap it around the potato, and I wet it. So then it steams in the microwave, and then after it steams, this is an experiment, I haven't tried this level. I've only ever done this with sweet potatoes. So after it steams, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, and I'm assuming some part of it will be crispy. I'm gonna cut it in half. And then, so the meal is gonna be a stuffed potato, so you can put cheese and sour cream in that, with chicken on the side and asparagus. I'm gonna have that for tomorrow's lunch. Oh, hell yeah. These men.
It's thick. Okay, never mind. We were not understanding, so it's okay. Yeah, we can watch it too. Yes.
Okay, y'all, so that's my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I have like one sliver of chicken and a little bit of asparagus that I'm gonna eat tonight, and then I'm calling it a night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.